While scanning for some interesting setup, I came across BPCL. This I found it in Strike over Inside Screen. So people who don't know about Strike over Inside Screen, they can go to, on the left they can hover over here, go to options, and over here they can click on the Strike over Insides. Now I was trying to look for a bullish setup, which means that I was trying to look for the stocks which are trading above the resistance level. So now when I see that and when I click on the OI change, okay, basically where the OI change is happening less or more. So firstly I was checking at where the unwinding is happening. So there I could find some setup, but BPCL specifically I found it very interesting was because the stock is trading at 625. Okay, in the call option if you see it is at 620, but you are seeing a huge surge of open interest, that is 105.5% or so. But at the same time, when you look at the OI addition as well, okay, that has happened significantly as well, that is 87%, but the base over here is low. So then when I saw this setup, this was looking interesting to me. So then I went to the chart setup of BPCL. Okay, so over here, to go towards the BPCL page, you have to type BPCL at the top, go to charts, and then go to Rohit setup because that is what I normally use. So when you go to the setup over here, you can see that there has been a consolidation in a narrow range for a long time in BPCL. Okay, and that consolidation seems to be breaking on the upside, and we are also seeing Bollinger Bands expanding on the upside. So this is actually a good sign, and so over here possibly the momentum can pick up, and also if you see on the hourly chart as well, so basically the stock is trading above all the hourly averages. Even I saw the weekly setup, so over there as well the setup was indicating that it was trading above all the important averages. So this, when we look, is the hourly setup, and you can see over here that it is trying to break out from this resistance zone. And also when we look at the weekly chart, so in the weekly chart actually the 20-week average is not broken, and it is finding support, and it is trying to go higher. So the setup looks interesting because when we see options, if there is actually a breakout that happens, okay, then BPCL may actually end up seeing a lot of unwinding of the call option, and if that happens, then that can lead to a good up move. So it would be interesting to see if BPCL manages to consolidate above 620 and then eventually see a breakout. Let us know what do you think about this setup in the comments.